In a bright and cheerful morning at Angie's cozy home, sunlight streamed through the windows, illuminating the room adorned with colorful decorations. Angie, an 8-year-old girl with curly hair and a big smile, approached her parrot's cage with excitement. The parrot, a vibrant, multicolored bird with beautiful feathers and a playful personality, chirped happily as Angie opened the cage door. The bird hopped onto her shoulder, showcasing their close bond. They started the day together with Angie feeding the parrot seeds and fresh fruit, the parrot nibbling and chirping joyfully. Angie then taught the parrot a new trick, a simple action or word. The joy on her face was evident when the parrot successfully followed her instructions. The parrot even mimicked Angie's laughter, saying funny phrases, making her giggle and creating a playful atmosphere. They played games in the living room, a game of fetch with a small ball, or teaching the parrot to fly from one perch to another. The parrot flew around the room dynamically, with Angie cheering and offering praise. It landed gently on her arm, sharing a moment of happiness and connection. They explored the outdoors together, taking walks in the garden or a nearby park. The parrot perched on her shoulder or flew close by, interacting with other birds and curious animals. Angie watched and laughed at its antics. They sat on a bench or patch of grass, with Angie reading a book or singing softly, while the parrot rested beside her, enjoying the calm moment. Angie taught the parrot new words or sounds, capturing its attempts with encouraging reactions.